how to design Instagram carousel post. Welcome back, guys. So, a carousel is a feature on Instagram where you can post multiple images and videos in a single post. It's much like a slideshow, and most times such posts have images that may appear to be seamless, like a single post. Like you cannot demarcate the difference. So this is exactly what I mean. Okay, so this is a carousel post. So, and we're going to design something like this. All right, guys, we're almost done designing this carousel. So I was not talking because I don't want the video to be very long. So that was why I was not talking. So we're almost done now. One last thing that we need to do is to remove the guides, as you can see. So we're going to hide them. Where is the other one? Aha. So now the guides are off, and now we can export our work. You can use the PNG format and change the dimensions to ultra. Yes, save to gallery. Now this is 2 slides. Okay, take note of that. We have first and second image here. All right. Now you can also save it as a project so that you can have the opportunity to edit later. Insta carousel design, or Insta carousel 1, or let me just leave it like that. So now this is the other one, the second one. I followed the same process to do that. Okay, so you can also follow the same process to do the same. All right, so now I can save it also to my gallery. There's nothing hard in this things. Okay, just follow the process and you'll be good to go. You can try to be creative. You can use another background. You can use so many um things to make your design beautiful. Okay, I also save it as a project so that I can have the opportunity to edit. So this will there will be 2 separate projects. Okay, the other one is Instagram carousel and this one is Instagram carousel 2. So I have like 4 images. Okay, so let me show you how to divide these images. So you go back, you refresh, and then as you can see here, when you're cropping, you crop 1:1. That is how to do that. You crop it 1:1 and take it to the beginning. Very good. Can you see that? Let me delete this new text. Good. So this is the first image. You just export to your gallery. Okay. Very good. So you do it for the other side. 1:1. Then you take it to the other side. Crop it to the other side. 1:1. Don't forget. Very good. So this is the second image. So this thing is applicable to the third and fourth images. You follow the same process to do that. This is the third and this is the fourth. So this is the final result on Instagram. And that is exactly how it would look like. Can you see that? Seamless. Okay. Yeah. So thank you for watching and go design some beautiful carousels.